What if you could eat real, satisfying food every single day, completely avoid sugar, and still watch the fat melt off your body? In today's video, we're uncovering 15 powerful foods that contain little to no sugar, keep your metabolism active, and help you lose weight without feeling hungry or restricted. And make sure you stay until the end, because some of these foods are surprisingly powerful, and most people completely ignore them. Also, before we begin, I've created a free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. You can download it right now from the description and the first comment below. Cabbage is one of the most underrated fat loss foods you can add to your daily routine, yet it delivers incredible results when used consistently. It's extremely low in sugar and calories, which means you can eat generous portions without worrying about weight gain. This alone makes it perfect for anyone trying to lose fat while still enjoying full, satisfying meals. Instead of feeling restricted, cabbage allows you to eat more volume while keeping your calorie intake under control. What makes cabbage even more powerful is its high fiber and water content. This combination slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer periods, reducing the urge to snack or overeat. When your hunger is under control, weight loss becomes much easier and more sustainable. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden crashes that usually lead to cravings for sugary or unhealthy foods. On top of that, cabbage supports your digestive system, helping your body eliminate waste more efficiently and reducing bloating. A healthy gut plays a huge role in how your body processes food and burns fat. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, lightly sautéed, or added to soups, cabbage is a simple, affordable, and highly effective food that can quietly accelerate your fat loss journey. Sardines may be small in size, but they are incredibly powerful when it comes to fat loss and overall health. They contain zero sugar and are packed with high-quality protein, which plays a key role in helping your body burn fat while preserving lean muscle. This is important because the more muscle you maintain, the more calories your body burns throughout the day, even at rest. Eating sardines regularly can help you stay in that fat-burning state without feeling deprived. What makes sardines even more effective is their rich content of healthy omega-3 fats. These fats help reduce inflammation in the body and improve how your metabolism functions, making it easier for your body to use stored fat as energy. At the same time, the combination of protein and healthy fats creates a powerful feeling of fullness, which naturally reduces cravings and prevents overeating. This makes sardines an excellent choice if you struggle with constant hunger while trying to lose weight. Another major advantage of sardines is their nutrient density. They are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, calcium, and B vitamins, all of which support energy levels and overall body function. When your body is properly nourished, it performs better, feels better, and loses fat more efficiently. Whether you add them to salads or enjoy them as a quick meal, sardines are a simple, affordable, and highly effective food that can accelerate your weight loss journey. Before we move to the next foods, if you're enjoying this video and getting value, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and I truly appreciate your support. Kale is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It's extremely low in sugar and calories, yet incredibly rich in nutrients that support fat loss and overall health. This means you can eat large portions without worrying about excess calories, making it an ideal food when you're trying to lose weight without feeling restricted. Instead of cutting back on food, kale allows you to eat more while still staying in a calorie deficit. One of the biggest benefits of kale is its high fiber content, which plays a major role in controlling hunger. Fiber slows down digestion and helps you feel full for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent snacking. This makes it much easier to stay consistent with your diet. In addition, kale helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings for sugary foods. On top of that, kale is packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that support your metabolism and energy levels. When your body is properly fueled, it becomes more efficient at burning fat and maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Whether you blend it into smoothies, add it to salads, or cook it as a side dish, kale is a simple yet powerful food that can significantly support your weight loss journey. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they are one of the most powerful foods you can include in a no-sugar weight loss diet. They contain almost zero sugar and are packed with fiber, healthy fats, and a decent amount of protein, all of which work together to support fat burning. Because they are so nutrient-dense, even a small serving can have a big impact on how full and satisfied you feel throughout the day. What makes chia seeds truly unique is their ability to absorb liquid and expand in your stomach. When mixed with water, milk, or yogurt, they form a gel-like jelly-like texture that slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for hours. This helps reduce cravings and prevents unnecessary snacking, which is one of the biggest challenges when trying to lose weight. Instead of constantly thinking about food, you feel naturally satisfied. On top of that, chia seeds help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is essential for avoiding energy crashes and sugar cravings. They also support digestion and overall gut health, making your body more efficient at processing food and burning fat. Whether you add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or simply soak them in water, chia seeds are an easy, powerful addition that can quietly accelerate your weight loss journey. Broccoli is one of the most effective foods you can include in a no-sugar weight loss plan, and it's popular for a very good reason. It's extremely low in sugar and calories, yet packed with fiber and nutrients that support fat burning. This means you can eat a large portion and feel completely satisfied without worrying about excess calories. It allows you to build full, satisfying meals while still staying in a calorie deficit, the key to consistent weight loss. One of the biggest advantages of broccoli is its high fiber content, which slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer periods. This helps reduce hunger and makes it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking throughout the day. It also supports stable blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings for sugary or processed foods. When your hunger is controlled, staying consistent with your diet becomes much easier. On top of that, broccoli is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help your body function more efficiently. A healthy, well-nourished body burns fat more effectively and maintains steady energy levels. Whether you steam it, roast it, or add it to your meals, broccoli is a simple, powerful, and reliable food that can play a major role in accelerating your weight loss journey. Tuna is one of the most effective zero-sugar foods you can include in your weight loss plan, especially if you're aiming to burn fat while maintaining lean muscle. It's incredibly high in protein and very low in calories, which makes it perfect for creating meals that are both filling and efficient for fat loss. When your body gets enough protein, it becomes much better at preserving muscle while using stored fat as energy. What makes tuna even more powerful is how satisfying it is. High-protein foods naturally reduce hunger by helping you feel full faster and stay full longer. This means fewer cravings, fewer snacks, and a much easier time staying within your calorie goals without feeling deprived. Instead of constantly thinking about food, you feel in control and consistent with your diet. On top of that, tuna is rich in important nutrients that support metabolism and overall health, including omega-3 fatty acids and essential vitamins. These nutrients help your body function more efficiently, which plays a direct role in how effectively you burn fat. Whether you enjoy it in salads, wraps, or as a quick meal, tuna is a simple, convenient, and highly effective food that can significantly accelerate your weight loss journey. Bell peppers are one of the most refreshing and satisfying foods you can include in a no-sugar weight loss diet. They are naturally low in sugar and calories, yet packed with water and fiber, which helps you feel full without overeating. This makes them perfect for adding volume to your meals, allowing you to eat more while still staying in a calorie deficit. One of the biggest advantages of bell peppers is how they help control cravings. Their natural crunch and mild sweetness can satisfy your desire for something flavorful without causing blood sugar spikes. This is important because stable blood sugar levels help prevent energy crashes and reduce the urge to reach for sugary or processed foods. In a way, bell peppers act as a smart replacement for unhealthy snacks. On top of that, bell peppers are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support metabolism and overall health. When your body is properly nourished, it becomes more efficient at burning fat and maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. Whether you enjoy them raw, grilled, or added to your meals, bell peppers are a simple, colorful, and powerful food that can help you stay consistent on your weight loss journey. Plain Greek yogurt is one of the most effective foods you can include in a no-sugar weight loss plan, especially when you choose the unsweetened version. It's naturally very low in sugar and packed with high-quality protein, which helps your body burn fat while preserving lean muscle. This is essential for achieving a lean, toned look while losing weight. Unlike flavored yogurts that are loaded with hidden sugars, plain Greek yogurt gives you all the benefits without slowing down your progress. One of the biggest advantages of Greek yogurt is how filling it is. Because it's rich in protein and has a thick, creamy texture, it keeps you satisfied for long periods and reduces the urge to snack between meals. This makes it much easier to stay within your calorie goals without feeling hungry or deprived. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings for sugary foods. On top of that, Greek yogurt supports gut health thanks to its natural probiotics, which play a key role in digestion and overall metabolism. A healthy digestive system allows your body to process nutrients more efficiently and supports consistent fat loss. Whether you enjoy it on its own, mix it with healthy toppings, or use it in recipes, Greek yogurt is a simple, powerful, and versatile food that can significantly support your weight loss journey. Mushrooms are one of the most underrated foods when it comes to weight loss, yet they can make a huge difference when included regularly in your meals. They are extremely low in sugar and calories, but surprisingly filling thanks to their texture and water content. This allows you to eat satisfying portions without adding extra calories, making it much easier to stay in a calorie deficit without feeling restricted. What makes mushrooms even more effective is their ability to act as a natural substitute for higher calorie ingredients. Their rich, slightly meaty texture makes them a great replacement for foods that are heavier and more calorie-dense. By simply swapping certain ingredients with mushrooms, you can significantly reduce your calorie intake without sacrificing taste or satisfaction. This is a powerful strategy for consistent and sustainable weight loss. On top of that, mushrooms are packed with important nutrients and antioxidants that support metabolism and overall health. When your body is properly nourished, it becomes more efficient at burning fat and maintaining steady energy levels. Whether you saute them, grill them, or add them to your meals, mushrooms are a simple, versatile, and highly effective food that can quietly accelerate your fat loss journey. Carrots are one of those foods that people often overlook when it comes to weight loss, but they can actually play a very important role in a no-sugar diet. While they have a natural sweetness, they are still very low in sugar compared to processed foods and snacks. At the same time, they are low in calories and rich in fiber, which makes them perfect for satisfying hunger without slowing down your fat loss progress. One of the biggest advantages of carrots is their ability to control cravings. Their natural crunch and mild sweetness can replace unhealthy snacks like chips or sweets, helping you stay on track without feeling deprived. Because they digest slowly, they help keep your blood sugar levels stable, preventing the sudden spikes and crashes that usually lead to overeating. This makes them a smart and practical choice, especially when cravings hit between meals. On top of that, carrots are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that support overall health and metabolism. A well-nourished body functions more efficiently, which directly impacts how effectively you burn fat. Whether you eat them raw as a snack, add them to salads, or include them in cooked meals, carrots are a simple, affordable, and effective food that can support your weight loss journey in a sustainable way. Turkey is one of the best lean protein sources you can include in a no-sugar weight loss plan. It contains virtually no sugar and is packed with high-quality protein that helps your body burn fat while preserving lean muscle. This is essential because the more muscle you maintain, the more calories your body naturally burns throughout the day. Turkey gives you the fuel you need without adding unnecessary calories or carbs. One of the biggest benefits of turkey is how satisfying it is. Protein-rich foods like turkey help you feel full quickly and stay full for longer periods, which naturally reduces cravings and prevents overeating. This makes it much easier to stay consistent with your diet without feeling like you're constantly restricting yourself. When hunger is under control, fat loss becomes much more manageable. On top of that, turkey is rich in important nutrients like B vitamins that support energy production and overall metabolism. When your body has steady energy levels, you're more active and more consistent with healthy habits. Whether you grill it, bake it, or add it to your meals, turkey is a simple, clean, and highly effective food that can help accelerate your weight loss journey. Avocado is one of the most satisfying foods you can include in a no-sugar weight loss diet, even though it's higher in calories than most vegetables. The key is that those calories come from healthy fats, which play a major role in controlling hunger and reducing cravings. Unlike sugary or processed foods, avocado keeps your blood sugar stable, helping you avoid energy crashes and the constant urge to snack. What makes avocado especially powerful is how filling it is. The combination of healthy fats and fiber slows down down digestion, allowing you to stay full for longer periods after eating. This naturally reduces your overall calorie intake without forcing you to restrict food. Instead of feeling hungry all the time, you feel satisfied and in control, which is essential for long-term weight loss success. On top of that, avocado supports your metabolism and overall health by providing important nutrients that help your body function efficiently. When your body is properly nourished, it becomes better at burning fat and maintaining steady energy levels. Whether you add it to salads, meals, or enjoy it on its own, avocado is a simple, delicious, and highly effective food that can help you stay consistent and accelerate your fat loss journey. Eggs are one of the most complete and powerful foods you can include in a no-sugar weight loss plan. They contain zero sugar and are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats that help your body burn fat while preserving lean muscle. This is essential for achieving a lean and toned body, not just losing weight. Because eggs are so nutrient-dense, they provide your body with exactly what it needs without adding unnecessary calories. One of the biggest advantages of eggs is how filling they are. Eating eggs, especially at the start of your day, helps reduce hunger and keeps you satisfied for hours. This means fewer cravings, fewer snacks, and a much easier time staying within your calorie goals. Instead of constantly thinking about food, you feel full, focused, and in control of your eating habits. On top of that, eggs support metabolism and energy levels thanks to their rich nutrient profile, including essential vitamins and minerals. When your body has steady energy, you're more active and consistent with your routine, which plays a big role in fat loss. Whether boiled, scrambled, or cooked in a healthy way, eggs are a simple, affordable, and highly effective food that can significantly accelerate your weight loss journey. Spinach is one of the most effective foods you can include in a no-sugar weight loss plan. It's extremely low in sugar and calories, yet packed with nutrients, allowing you to eat larger portions while still staying in a calorie deficit. This makes it perfect for building satisfying meals without feeling restricted. Its high fiber and water content help you feel full for longer periods, reducing the urge to snack and making it easier to stay consistent with your diet. It also helps keep blood sugar levels stable, which plays a big role in controlling cravings. On top of that, spinach is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support metabolism and energy levels. Whether added to salads, smoothies, or cooked meals, it's a simple and powerful food that can support your weight loss journey. Almonds are one of the most effective snacks you can include in a no-sugar weight loss plan, especially when eaten in the right portions. They are very low in sugar and packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which work together to keep you full and satisfied. Unlike processed snacks that trigger cravings, almonds help control your appetite and make it easier to stay consistent with your diet. One of the biggest advantages of almonds is their ability to reduce hunger between meals. Because they digest slowly, they provide a steady release of energy, preventing sudden drops that often lead to cravings for sugary or high-calorie foods. This makes them an ideal choice when you need something quick but still want to stay on track with your weight loss goals. On top of that, almonds are rich in essential nutrients that support metabolism and overall health. When your body is properly fueled, it becomes more efficient at burning fat and maintaining energy throughout the day. Just a small handful can make a big difference, helping you stay satisfied, focused, and in control as you move forward on your weight loss journey. Now you can see you don't need sugar, extreme diets, or starvation to lose weight. By choosing the right foods, you can eat well, feel satisfied, and still stay in fat-burning mode every single day. If you made it this far, you're serious about changing your life, and that's exactly where real results begin. Don't forget to download your free ebook from the description and pinned comment. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next powerful video. And remember, the right foods don't just change your body, they change your future.